Hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You're going to love some of these recipes, especially today's recipe. And the only way to ensure that you get every recipe is to subscribe and ring that bell. If you ring that bell, you get notifications of every recipe. Like today's recipe. It's a muffin, which is wonderful, so healthy. This muffin is vegan. This muffin is low fat. This muffin is very healthy. And muffins are very easy to make. But first, don't forget to check out my Shopify store. I got sweatshirts, I got t-shirts, I got tote bags, I got baseball caps, everything you need. Fantastic stuff. I put the link in the first comment, so check that out. And now, let's get back to our regularly scheduled program. Let's get cooking. So here's what we gotta do. We gotta put the dry ingredients in here, this bowl, the wet ingredients in here, and then we're gonna just mix together like that. We're using 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 2 cups oatmeal. We need some sugar in it, but I want to use a sugar that's as healthy as possible. So I'm going to use coconut palm sugar. It's like a brown sugar. It's like an unrefined brown sugar. Very good. So I need a 1/2 cup of sugar. Use that coconut palm sugar. It's available in your supermarket in the health food section. Baking powder. I'm going to need 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon. Baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, that's your dry ingredients. Set that aside. Alright, for your wet ingredients, right, there's no fat in here, so we need to have something that's kind of thick and has a consistency of oil, but not oil. And it also gives us some flavor, and that would be applesauce. Not just any applesauce. Get yourself a good brand of applesauce. Because the money here is in the applesauce. So Mott's, very good tasting. A little more expensive, very good tasting applesauce. No sugar added, very important. Very good flavor, Mott. And we need 2 cups of applesauce. Very good. Then I'm going to kick this up even another notch. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of frozen apple juice concentrate. That's what gives me a nice apple flavor. That's a little trick. Hey, that's a little trick I'm going to use here. I would normally use like water or some kind of liquid, but instead I'm going to use apple juice concentrate. Just get whatever brand. That's good. And it's a concentrated apple flavor. It's going to be wonderful. Give you a nice apple flavor in this muffin. Yeah. Going to use 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'll give it a nice cinnamon flavor. Okay, I just take a whisk and give this a little mix just to incorporate everything together, kind of the dry ingredients. That's good. The wet ingredients. Now I'm going to take a rubber scraper and mix these together by kind of folding them. I'm going to fold them together. See, I'll scrape along the bottom and then bring it over the top. Scrape along the bottom and bring it over the top. Okay, so sometimes I use these cups, these paper cups. Sometimes I don't like to. Traditionally, I like not to use them because I just don't like the paper. I don't know. It's just my preference. You want to use it. No problem. Wonderful. But I don't. Now, if I don't use them, I have to spray the pan kind of heavily so the muffins don't stick to the pan. And gotta get all the corners and everything like that. See? Yeah, it works pretty good. I also get like in between, because if the muffin kind of overflows the pan a little bit, I want to make sure that it won't stick to the top of the pan either. Okay, there's plenty of non-stick spray. I think one of these scoops is good. Okay, I get a nice heaping scoop. It goes inside a preheated 350-degree oven. Gonna take about 20 minutes. Woo, that's wonderful. How easy was that? But wait, I got a bonus for you. I got a little leftover batter, and I have this. This is a nice donut tray. Right? Make mini donuts. So I'm gonna spray. I only have to spray about 6 of these donut molds. I'm gonna do the same thing. Here I'm gonna just take a level scoop, like a level scoop. I don't want it mounted so much, because these you can't overfill. Okay, these you can give a tap, and with your finger just kind of clear the middle of the donut like that, so you can see the middle of the donut. This will ensure that you get like a donut hole in the middle. That's important. They gotta look like donuts. And listen, some of the equipment I use here, like this donut pan, I get at Amazon. And I'm an Amazon affiliate. So if you go down into the description, you'll see I set up some links. You can link right to Amazon. I get a little commission. You get a nice donut pan for a good price. It's Amazon. It's wonderful stuff. I promise you. Check it out. Okay, so in the oven it goes with the muffins. This is going to take a little shorter time because it's smaller, right? Muffins. These donuts are smaller than the muffins, so they take less time. They take about 15 minutes, 12, 15 minutes. Okay, in they go. Hey, I put it right next to the muffins. Woo! Looking beautiful. I'm going to go percolate myself a nice cup of coffee, and I'll see you in 15 minutes. Those muffins smell fantastic already. I can't wait. Woo! Going to be delicious. Coffee might not be too good. I'm not too good at making coffee, but I am the muffin man. All right. Okay, the kitchen smells terrific. It's been about 15 minutes. Now check this out. Okay, remember these went in first. So this has been in for about 20 minutes. Wonderful. Look at this. Beautiful. You want to see how nicely I greased the pan? Look how it comes out. Fantastic. Very hot. Be careful. Hey, donuts. They look beautiful. Just like donuts. Okay, so here's what I have to do now. I got here a 1/4 cup sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Hey, while the donuts are hot, I'm going to put them very close together. I'm going to sprinkle them. With the sugar and cinnamon. Okay. I don't do that with the muffins because the muffins doesn't have to be sweet. Donuts, they should be a little sweet. So I sprinkle with plenty of sugar, cinnamon. That's nice. These are wonderful. Smell terrific. I'm going to have one of them with a lousy cup of coffee because these muffins are so good it may even turn my coffee good. We'll check that out later. In the meantime, I got another recipe with oatmeal. I got an oatmeal pancake. Fantastic, healthy, wonderful, easy to make. It's a great video. And I'll see you there. All right.